Hey y'all, so I came up with this halo look that was inspired by Aaliyah J. I hope you guys like it and enjoy the rest of the video. Bye bye. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna go ahead and just do a voiceover. What I'm doing now is I'm priming my eyelids to make my eyelids lighter for the light colors that I'm gonna put on. What I'm about to do is just go my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, take the green color, and use that as my transition. And for the halo eye, I believe how I was taught was basically put dark colors in the inner and the outer and a light color in the middle, like a shimmery color. And I just chose to go with black because, I mean, I like using it. And as I'm putting the black in on my eyelid, I'm just blending it out as much as possible to make it look seamless. What I'm about to do is take my concealer and put it inside the center of my eyelids to make sure like the color I choose to put there pop. The color I chose to go with is in my other Juvia's Place palette, and it's a gold color. I forgot the name of it, but it is a gold color. I chose to do the gold colors because, I mean, it was different, and I kind of want to step out of my comfort zone. What I'm doing is I'm going in on the edges and I'm blending them with black so to make it look less harsh around, of course, the edges. What I'm about to do is go into my Zulu palette, take the green, and put that right back as the transition shade because I felt as though when I was putting the black there that it was taking up where the green were. Now what I'm doing is just self-explanatory, just smoking out the bottom with the black eyeshadow. Okay, so this part I've done in literally every other video. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and see you guys later. go.
Random video.
Swine.